Ever wondered how to create a profitable YouTube channel in 2024? It's an enticing prospect, isn't it? The world of YouTube is vast and rich with opportunities. If navigated correctly, it can lead to a rewarding and profitable journey. Let's dive in, shall we? We're about to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of successful YouTubing. We'll delve into the mysterious world of YouTube algorithms and how understanding them can be your secret weapon. We'll explore the art of creating engaging content that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. And we'll discuss the crucial role of SEO and how mastering it can skyrocket your channel's visibility. Yes, it might sound daunting, but fear not. We're here to guide you every step of the way. So buckle up, because we're about to reveal the 5 ways to make a profitable YouTube channel this year. Keep watching to discover the secrets that could transform your YouTube journey. The first step to creating a profitable YouTube channel is understanding YouTube algorithms. Now you're probably wondering, what on earth is a YouTube algorithm? Well, in simple terms, it's a system that YouTube uses to decide which videos to suggest to users. The algorithm relies on 3 main factors: watch time, engagement rate, and user interaction. Let's break these down. Watch time is pretty straightforward. It's how long viewers are watching your videos. The longer the watch time, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your videos to others. It's not just about the number of views anymore, it's about quality views. Next is engagement rate. This refers to how actively viewers are interacting with your videos. Are they liking, sharing, commenting, or subscribing? Or are they just passively watching? The more engagement, the more YouTube sees your content as valuable and promotes it. Finally, we have user interaction. This is all about how viewers respond to your videos. Are they clicking on your video when it's suggested to them? Are they clicking on your end screens or cards? The more interaction, the higher your video will rank in search results and suggested videos. So you're probably thinking, great, I understand these factors, but how can I use them to my advantage? That's a great question. To boost your watch time, create longer, high-quality videos that keep viewers hooked. To increase engagement, encourage your viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make your content interactive. And for user interaction, make sure your thumbnails and titles are catchy and relevant to draw viewers in. Understanding these elements and using them to your advantage can help you create a successful YouTube channel. It's not about tricking the system, but rather understanding it and working with it. It's about creating content that your viewers want to watch and engage with. Understanding YouTube algorithms is the first key to unlocking your channel's potential. So take this knowledge, use it wisely, and start your journey to a profitable YouTube channel. Onwards and upwards. The second step is all about creating engaging content. You might wonder, what exactly does engaging content mean? Well, it's the type of content that hooks your audience from the first second and keeps them glued until the very end. It's the kind of content that resonates with your viewers, that leaves them feeling as though they've gained something valuable. Be it knowledge, inspiration, or simply a good laugh. Now, creating this kind of content isn't as daunting as it sounds. It all starts with understanding your audience. What are they interested in? What are their pain points? What are the questions they are asking? Once you have these insights, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. But understanding your audience is just the beginning. The magic of engaging content lies in storytelling. We humans have been telling stories since the dawn of time. It's how we connect, how we learn, and how we remember. So weave a narrative into your content. Make it relatable, make it emotional. Let your viewers see themselves in your story, let them feel that you understand them, and they'll keep coming back for more. However, storytelling isn't the only ingredient for creating engaging content. Consistency plays a crucial role too. Consistency in posting not only helps you build a loyal audience, but it also signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're a reliable content creator. This can help boost your visibility on the platform. Aim to post regularly, whether it's once a week, twice a month, or every day. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Creating engaging content isn't always easy. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. But when you see your audience growing, when you see the comments of people who've been touched by your content, you'll realize it's all worth it. Remember, engaging content is the heart of a successful YouTube channel. Before we move on to the next step, here's a quick reminder. If you're finding this content valuable and want to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to make your YouTube channel a success, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe. This not only supports our work, but also ensures you don't miss out on any future content that could give you the edge in the YouTube game. Now let's move on to the third step. The third step to a profitable YouTube channel is mastering SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a powerful tool that can significantly increase your channel's reach. Think of it as a magnet that pulls potential viewers towards your content. It's all about making your videos more discoverable by optimizing them for search engines. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of SEO. First up, keyword research. Keywords are the terms that viewers type into the search bar. By using the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can increase the chances of your content surfacing in search results. There are numerous tools available online for keyword research. Use them to find popular and relevant keywords and sprinkle them throughout your content. Next, let's talk about video descriptions. A well-crafted description not only tells viewers what your video is about, but also helps YouTube's algorithm understand your content. The first few lines are crucial as they appear in search results and feed previews, so make them count. Include your primary keywords, but remember, it should still read naturally to the human eye. Lastly, the use of tags. Tags are like the spices in a dish. They add flavor and complexity. They provide context about your video and help YouTube understand what it's about. Use relevant tags that include your target keywords. However, don't go overboard. Stick to about 10 to 15 tags per video. Mastering SEO isn't an overnight process. It's a continuous effort of understanding what your audience is searching for and tailoring your content to meet that demand. But the payoff is worth it. With effective SEO, your videos can rise to the top of search results, attracting more viewers and potential subscribers. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, SEO is a game you'll want to play. It's not just about making your content, it's about making your content findable. Mastering SEO is crucial to get your content seen and build a successful YouTube channel. The fourth step is understanding how to monetize your YouTube channel. Monetization, in simple terms, is the process of converting your content into revenue. This is the lifeline that will keep your channel alive and thriving, ensuring that you can continue to create and share your content with the world. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. The most common method is through Google AdSense, where you earn money from ads displayed on your videos. These ads can take the form of pre-roll ads, which play before your video, banner ads that appear at the bottom of your video, or mid-roll ads that interrupt your video at certain intervals. The revenue you earn from these ads is dependent on a variety of factors, including the number of views, the demographics of your audience, and the type of content you produce. Brand collaborations are another lucrative way to monetize your channel. This involves partnering with companies to promote their products or services in your videos. These collaborations can be highly profitable, but they require a substantial audience base and a strong reputation in your niche. It's important to choose partnerships that align with your brand and resonate with your audience, as authenticity is key to successful brand collaborations. Selling merchandise is another popular method of monetization. This could be anything from t-shirts and hoodies to coffee mugs and posters. Whether you're selling products with your channel's logo or items related to your content, merchandising can provide a steady stream of income while also enhancing your brand identity. Remember that monetization is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one channel may not work for another. It's all about finding what fits your content, your audience, and your brand. Experiment with different strategies, track your results, and tweak your approach as needed. Monetization is the key to making your YouTube channel profitable. It's not just about making money, but about creating a sustainable business that allows you to keep doing what you love. It's about turning your passion into a profession, and that, after all, is the ultimate goal of any successful YouTuber. The final step is building a community around your channel. It's crucial to foster a sense of togetherness, a space where viewers feel connected, valued, and engaged. Encourage interaction, respond to comments, share content that resonates. This isn't just about growing numbers, it's about nurturing relationships and creating a loyal fan base. Remember, every like, every share, every comment counts. They're not just metrics, they're people. They're your community. A strong community is the backbone of any successful YouTube channel. Those were the 5 ways to create a profitable YouTube channel in 2024. Let's take a moment to recap. Understanding YouTube's algorithms is the foundation, the cornerstone of your channel. It's like having a roadmap to success. Then there's the power of engaging content. Never underestimate the lure of a compelling story or a unique perspective. It's the heartbeat of every successful channel. You are also reminded to prompt your viewers to like and subscribe. It's a simple way to build your community and increase your reach. SEO or search engine optimization is your secret weapon. It's the way to ensure your content is found and seen. And finally, monetization. It's the final piece of the puzzle, the key to turning your passion into profit. If this video helped in any way, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, thanks for watching.